What's up, guys? Welcome back to AutoHeadz. Today we're going to do a detailed install and review of EVBASE's bed divider, and I'm going to go over why I think this is one of the best bed dividers you can get right now for your Tesla Cybertruck. Make sure you stay to the end because I have a couple adjustment tricks that will make this bed divider fit into your Cybertruck like a glove. Let's get started. All right, let's get this out of the box. Very first impression, as soon as I took this out of the box, I was kind of stunned at how OEM this looks. This looks like it was designed and made by Tesla. Very sharp design, incredible build quality. It's an aluminum construction with a powder coat over it, so you don't need to worry about it changing colors or rusting or anything. Very nice components. Everything feels nice and crisp. Closes really great. You're going to get an Allen key and a little wrench, and those are the that's what you're going to make your adjustments with. The divider works seamlessly with the L-track system that's built into the Cybertruck bed. When you lift up the hidden latch in the middle of the cargo divider, the arms of the divider get sucked in, and then when you have everything lined up the way you want it, you simply push down the latch and the arms of the divider lock into the L-track system, securing the cargo divider anywhere you want in the bed. These rubberized legs are also fully adjustable. The legs are made with a nice dense rubber that's strong enough to take some abuse, but also soft enough to not do any damage to your Cybertruck bed. Once you have made your adjustments, use the nut to lock the adjustments in place. So I spent a fair amount of time making very small tweaks and adjustments to allow this cargo divider to fit like a glove. And here's the trick I had mentioned in the beginning of the video. With the latch in the closed position, if you take the provided wrench and place it over the gap on the arms of the cargo divider, you can make your adjustments using the tool provided so the wrench is able to lay flat with a little bit of play. Do the same thing on both sides. The provided Allen key-like tool allows you to spin a small nut to make your adjustments, but without a reference like this wrench here, it would be very difficult to get this perfect. Copy this trick and the install will be near perfect. Now, as for adjustments made to the legs, I found that the best fit was to bring the legs just slightly past the frame of the cargo divider, maybe just by 2 or 3 millimeters. Very small adjustment. Also, a unique design with how adjustable this bed divider is that you can use this as far front or back on the bed L-track system as you want. It will fit anywhere and it's fully adjustable. So the L-track rail system is going to be pretty much the widest portion of the bed. So you're going to want to kind of walk up the cargo divider, get both sides kind of within the rail system, the L-track rail system, and then just kind of walk it up where you want it. If you're able to just drop this in without walking it up in the rail system, then your fitment's not going to be right. So you really want it to be as tight as possible in that L-track system before finally locking it into position. So as I said before, I just kind of slowly walked up the cargo divider. I'm going to compress this latch halfway down, which is going to put the legs kind of in the L-track system, not quite all the way in, but enough to kind of figure out exactly where I'm positioned. I'm going to look at both sides, and then once I make the final little adjustments, I'm going to compress the latch fully, which is going to lock the cargo divider in place. Here's a secondary perspective just so you guys can see exactly what I'm referring to. So I kind of have both sides lined up. I'm looking at the arms. I'm getting it lined up perfectly based on the line on my drop-in bed liner, which really helped. And then I compress it halfway. I'm looking at both sides. Everything looks pretty good. Little minor adjustments done. And then once I'm satisfied, I lock in that latch and it fits absolutely perfect. Everything's where I want it. This cargo divider allows you to install it without compromising that secondary cargo area, and if you have a drop-in bed liner like me, you're still good to go. Having this cargo divider really allows you to get the most out of your 6.5-foot bed on your Cybertruck. This cargo divider came in clutch for me over the holidays. I was able to load up all the kids' presents into these little boxes. Everything fit perfectly, and I didn't have to worry about anything getting tossed all over the bed. I use it in this position a lot for groceries, and also something that I didn't mention yet is because this is a MOLLE design, you're able to use any kind of MOLLE accessories to hang things on the divider. You can get really creative. I'll probably do another video and show you guys how I'm going to be using the MOLLE design on the cargo divider to get even more out of it. But again, nothing but great things to say about it. It's nice to be able to section out the 6.5-foot bed on your Cybertruck and get the most out of that space. This bed divider is so cool. I love how it's designed. If you guys are interested in picking one of these up for yourself, I got nothing but good things to say about it. This thing is absolutely sick. It looks amazing, looks futuristic, but most importantly, it works the way you want it. If you guys are interested in picking this up, use the code word AutoHeadz at checkout. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.